Alright, boys and girls, I'm going to go through with you the punctuation marks for this particular worksheet. Okay, now let's look at the passage itself. What is it talking about? He said, "Is anybody home?" "Who's there?" she asked. "Joelle," he answered. "Joelle who?" she inquired. He replied, "Your cousin." "Oh, welcome," she exclaimed. Now, for your information, the word enquired means asked. Okay? Alright, let's start with the second sentence. We begin actually with the second sentence. So, who's there? She asked. So you need to have open inverted commas, capital W, H, O, and then apostrophe S, there, and you'll need a question mark, and closed inverted commas. She asked. Full stop. Okay, and then next line, Joelle, he answered. So open inverted commas, capital J, O-E-L, and then he has not finished his sentence. We put a comma, a closed inverted commas, he answered. Then full stop. Next, Joelle who? She inquired. So this is what she's asking. So open inverted commas, capital letters for the name Joelle, and then who, and we need to put a question mark because she's asking a question, and closed inverted commas, and then she inquired, and full stop. Next, he replied. Now this is not in the speech mark because this is the part where he replies. And what does he reply? So he replied, and then we put a comma, and then open inverted commas, and capital Y. Your cousin. And then full stop, closed inverted commas. Okay, and then finally open inverted commas, capital O, and then you put a comma, welcome, and this time an exclamation mark and then close inverted commas. Why an exclamation mark? Because she exclaimed. Okay, so exclaimed, that would mean that you need to put an exclamation mark. So she exclaimed, full stop. Now boys and girls, if you have any mistakes in your answers, what you may do is you may rewrite the paragraph on a piece of foolscap paper, or if you have very little corrections, you may just do your corrections at the bottom of your worksheet, and I will check on your answers when we get back to school. Take care and goodbye.